of course, the highlight of the summer for me. And
Sell upright.
Okay.
on a encore quelques minutes avant le début du spectacle. C'est peut-être le temps de mettre de la crème solaire. Particulièrement pour les enfants qui présentent généreusement. Aujourd'hui, l'intitulé de l'ordre de 9 à 1. Buvez beaucoup d'eau également, c'est peut-être le temps d'aller chercher des bouteilles d'eau. Et profitez de profiter des adultes et peut-être un point si à la fin de la journée on se perd parce que lorsque les gens regardent au ciel, on part, on va peut-être faire un tour à l'arrière dans les kiosques de nourriture et après ça on se perd de vue. Donc trouvez-vous les adultes tout de suite un point de rendez-vous pour la fin de la journée. Donc le spectacle se met en branle dans maintenant 4 minutes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have an interesting situation here where the Skyhawks are located at the other side of Kempenfeld Bay. I have on the phone with me the voice of the Skyhawks, Devin Gorman. Devin, can you hear me?
I can.
All right, so what's going on over there right now? I can't see a thing because Michelle Benoit has decided to stand right in front of me.
So we're just on the drop zone right now, waiting for our jumpers to come over. Time on target at 1 o'clock.
So yes, my friends, it's the audience,
time on
all
target
eagerly
is 1
waiting.
o'clock. And what's going on over there in the drop zone? How are you preparing for this jump?
So we have an orange tee set up. It's not a precise landing point, but rather a point of reference for our Skyhawks so they can see the drop zone from the sky. And we're measuring the winds and adjusting our release points for our jumpers to get out of the aircraft in the air to land accurately on our drop zone.
All right, well, we saw the wind drift indicators coming down earlier, and it looked like a pretty good spot from over here, but I didn't see exactly where they went.
So, the wind drift indicator indicates the land exactly in the drop zone. It's just a good enough point of reference for our jumpers in the plane to adjust the release point. And we're going to be on target.
All right, very good. So, we're looking out to the sky right now to figure out where the kilometers are good. And the first jump, how many guys will come out on the first jump? And when I say guys, I mean guys and girls, because you have both on it.
תסתכל טוב לפניי וזה מדליקים.
To our drop zone controller today, Petty Officer, second class T Cooper.
But you have members from the Air Force and the Navy and of course the Army. Anybody that's listening to Force can apply for that, correct?
Absolutely. This season we're proud to have people on all artistic and of course the Royal Canadian Air Force.
Let's just check. Hey, Barrie, are you guys ready for an air show? What are we in Aurelia? Well, come on, you can do better than that. Barrie, are you ready for an air show? All right, that's a lot more like it. All right, so I see sky. I can see the Twin Otter up there. I'm going to throw it over to you, Devin. I'm going to keep quiet for the next little while, and you can tell us what's going on.
Thank you very much.
Overbanked, and then the plane just dived to stall.
Coming over the drop zone now. Contrasting beautifully against today's blue skies. Where you can see our first jumpers exit the aircraft and deploy their canopies. Signature Canadian flag canopies. First jumper out of the plane is San Francisco's class, Marcel Corral, Ron Dig, New Brunswick.
Found myself a
Master Corporal Bradley Witkowski from Hamilton, Ontario, an infantry of the Princess Patricia's Canadian Light Infantry Regiment. And with him, Corporal Benjamin Barrett, an airdrop systems technician.
Devin, is he on fire?
He has deployed smoke behind him. He is not on fire.
Okay.
And now two of our jumpers have come together. Appreciation for inviting us, the Canadian Armed Forces parachute team, to come perform at Barrie today. It's an honor to represent Canada and the Canadian Armed Forces with you today. That flag has a 25-pound weight attached to it, making sure that it remains flying true.
Devin, we can hear one of your officers in the background.
Our jumpers are... Our canopies have a forward speed of 20 miles per hour and a rate of descent of approximately 1,000 feet per minute. For those that can see on the drop zone, Captain Sean Kent has just deployed red smoke, making it easier for our jumpers to see the drop zone as they come in. Master Corporal Bradley Witkowski, right in Airshow Center, has just deployed the Canadian flag.
Skyhawk demonstration.
Giving the spectators over here a great view of those canopies. Now they're downplaning towards the ground, 55 miles per hour. Floating apart, just about 100 feet off the ground. In a downplane towards the ground at 55 miles per hour, the speed excellently highlighted by the smoke behind them. Giving you a great sense of the force our jumpers had to overcome to keep that formation together. Please give it up for our three-stack drag team. High in the sky above, the candy cane is now deployed. Help me count the rotations, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Depot from Victoriaville, Quebec. Corporal Francis Lafrance from Montreal, Quebec. And on the bottom, Sergeant Mark Dumaine from Dieppe, New Brunswick, our team warrant officer. Skyhawks are now coming onto the ground, removing their parachutes, and will join the rest of the team in preparation for the Skyhawks saluting line.